First step, take your frame and remove anything that will interfere with your stenciling project. Now, sand down your wooden surface with 120 to 220 grit sandpaper. You're going to want to do this until the original clear coat and stain disappear. Remember to dust and wipe down your frame with a damp rag before moving on to your next step. Take a chip brush and water-based wood stain and apply the stain in the same direction as the wood grain. We recommend water-based stain because the dry time is faster, the cleanup is easier, and it's better for the environment. Apply spray adhesive to the back of your stencil to reduce your chances of bleed. Pour a small amount onto a tray or plate and take your 1/2 inch professional stencil brush and dip the tip into the paint. Swirl the brush around on a paper towel, working the paint into the bristles and offloading any excess paint onto a paper towel. Now fill in your stencil pattern. Align your stencil with the previously painted area and repeat. On to our next frame. We want to have the pattern going in 2 different directions, so we are going to tape off the inner miters for the first part of our stencil project. Apply spray adhesive and place the stencil vertically on the frame. Fill in every other stripe with both colors. Once dry, remove the blue painter's tape and place it on the opposite side of the miter. Now, place the stencil on the wooden frame, but facing the other direction, and repeat the same stenciling process. Onto our last stencil, the Shipibo page stencil. Just place the entire stencil over the frame and customize it to your liking. To protect our frames from any kind of damage, we are going to seal it with water-based polyurethane. Evenly load a 2-inch dense foam roller and roll on 2 coats.